Welcome to the Justworks demo. Today we will cover four main aspects of the platform: payroll, where to view compliance, how to view and access your benefits, and how to view and access HR tools. Let's start with the first one, payroll. All payroll will be automated with Justworks for salaried employees. On the bottom of your screen, the administrator will be able to view upcoming payments. This will include all salary payments, hourly payments, as well as any off-cycle payments. If we take a look at future invoices, we will have a good view on who's getting paid what, how the tax contributions will be deducted, and any additional employee deductions, including healthcare and medical cost. To make any sort of off-cycle payment, an administrator can simply click on the left-hand corner under Make a Payment, choose the pay date, select the payment type, and as you'll see here, there's several options including contractor payments, expense reimbursements, bonuses, along with salary off-cycle payments. Choose your correct payment, choose what type of payment this will be, and choose who we want to pay. We can select by department, or we can select simply by searching a name. Once we find the individual, we can put in the dollar amount. Once we hit continue, we will get a confirmation page and hit submit. The payment has now been processed for 10/1. Administrators have accessibility to make as many payments as they like on the Justworks platform at no additional charge. This process is the same way for contractor payments as well. For hourly employees, the administrator will click on the left-hand side under Pay Hourly Employees, edit the hours for the employee. They have the option of adding additional rates and even selecting overtime values. Once this is completed, the system will pull the report and submit the amount of the payrolled employee on the Friday of payroll. For any type of invoicing and reporting, Justworks integrates with both QuickBooks and Xero. All files are also CSV compatible and are able to be uploaded to other accounting services. When we take a look here, we will have relevant information such as past payments, payroll journal, cash requirements for future payments, and of course, having the accessibility to export these files. If we take a look back under reports, the administrator can pull certain types of payroll reports, customize the date rates, and go as far as to see spending by department. That concludes the payroll aspect for Justworks. Next is to view your compliance status. The administrator can view under settings their basic information, verify that everything is correct, and view their compliance status with Justworks. The third piece that Justworks covers is being able to view and access your benefits. Under HR, the administrator can view which plans are offered, both for medical, dental, vision, as well as any other perk, including 401k and commuter benefits. The administrator can break down which of the plans the employees are involved in, how much the plans cost, what portion the employee is paying, and what portion the company is paying. The plans themselves will also be able to be downloadable via PDF. Other perks include commuter benefits and 401k, where you can see the contribution amounts and who is participating in each perk. Other benefits offered through the Justworks platform include gym membership discounts, life insurance, accidental death and dismemberment, short and long-term disability, along with HSAs. To access these benefits, please contact Justworks directly. The last piece are HR tools. First is a time-off policy. Under policies, we can create and edit any existing policy we have in place. To add a new policy, simply click Add Policy, select if this is a vacation, sick leave, or other, name of policy, effective date. If we are choosing to track accrued hours, how many days we have off for the year, do days carry over, and can we limit those days? Are we giving tenure to certain employees, allowing them to accrue more days? We can choose between anniversaries, as well as how many more days they can have access to. Is this available for all employees or just some employees? And lastly, how many hours do they have as of now? Once the policy is saved, each employee will be able to view how much time they have accrued year to date, how much time they've already requested, and be able to edit and request those policies on their behalf. As the administrator, you can view holiday schedules and choose what days the companies want to recognize as a holiday, so there is no confusion for the employee. The next tool is the Document Center. The Document Center will be treated as a Dropbox-like portion of the company to upload anything from contracts, employee handbooks, W-2s, to any other relevant information. The employer can choose what type of document it will be, who it will be shared to, and if they can view and edit those documents directly from the system. The onboarding process is very straightforward. Under Manage, the administrator can simply click Employee, have a virtual library of any employee's information, but simply clicking Add, the administrator will be prompted to include their annual salary for the employee, if they are a part-time, contractor, vendor, owner, or accountant. We will ask relevant information, including their first, last name and email, title, which department they will fall under, and if there's any specific remote office, whether it's your home headquarters or if they're working from home. The last piece of information will be the start date. Once that information is submitted, the administrator will invite the new member. An email will then be generated to the new employee, contractor, owner, or vendor, who will then be prompted to include all their relevant information, including their bank account information, emergency contact information, home address, as well as any tax withholdings. The employees will all be prompted to sign their I-9 directly through Justworks, which will automatically be signed and uploaded to the Document Center. Once completed, the administrator will be able to view an online profile for all their relevant information. Any changes that need to take place, whether it's about bank information or whether it's about employment, is all done through the Manage portal. The company can also view the directory, including relevant information like the best phone number, addresses, and emergency contact information. The last tool will be under Permissions. If companies have multiple administrators under the platform, the main admin can choose what privileges the other admins have access to. If you would like to have an accountant view invoices and make payments on the company's behalf, but not have information that's sensitive to the company, including employee information, that is something you can both limit as well as designate. The platform can handle unlimited amounts of admins, but the main admin will have overriding access to this. The last piece is viewing the employee's perspective of the Justworks platform. Employees can view directory, calendar information related to the company, pay stubs, and download these pay stubs as well via PDF. They can request time off, view certain holiday schedules, view their existing benefits, download information about their existing benefits, and enroll in their benefits directly through Justworks. They can view the document center, download any of the relevant information, and choose to edit any other account settings, including bank account information and withholdings.